Did you find a 2017 A $2 banknote? Well, you could be sitting on really good money, so watch this video before spending it. The 2017 A series is a really unusual one, not only for how it was produced, but also how it was distributed. There's a ton of them out there still, but this one has far less than 2013 $2 bills, and they can be really valuable. The 2017 A series was issued in a more staggered way, so it led to speculation that it was produced to meet requests rather than to go into circulation. This is because they were printed in multiple small runs rather than one large batch like a lot of other banknotes. This has led to really uneven distribution across all the districts and throughout really the world. For example, some print locations like Fort Worth had really smaller production runs, and these can be worth a bit more. Many 2017 A $2 banknotes were not widely distributed through banks, so it meant that collectors often had to purchase them from dealers or right from the BEP. So let's talk about the value and the collectability of them, since that's one of the biggest factors. A standard 2017 A $2 bill in circulated condition is generally going to be worth just that, $2. In some cases, if they're really good condition, they can be worth around $5 or $6. Now, closer to uncirculated or in high grades, they can sell in upwards of like $100 in some cases, as we've seen through Heritage Auction in just the last couple of years. Star notes are going to be the ones you want to look for, as these generally range from around $20 to $50, though high-grade examples and lower print run districts can become even more. We see these selling in the hundreds in some cases. Some misprints and error notes have also been found, so you'll want to keep an eye out for fancy serial numbers, ink issues, error notes, mismatched serial numbers, issues with the print, all those things. If you're confused, I have a video that talks about the 15 most popular errors to look for on any banknote, so check that video out. So although 2017 A series usually is not super rare and valuable, due to a unique way of putting them out and lower print runs from certain districts, some of these 2017 A $2 bills are noteworthy and can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Let me know what you think about 2017 A $2 bills, if I missed anything, and what you love about them or what you're looking for lately in your coin, banknote, and collectible searches. Can't wait to hear about it, so I'll see you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.